So let's change them into the actual strings, because we're going to have let my pick. We'll just start with rock. It's got to start somewhere. And then we can change it so that if my number equals 1, then actually my pick was paper. Else if my number equals 2, then actually my pick was scissors. So I'm going to create some booleans. I1 equals false. Let U1 also equals false, because it could be a draw. So now we have to go through all of the scenarios of rock, paper, scissors. If you picked is rock and my pick is equal to paper, well then I won. It's true. Else if you picked equals rock again, I'll do the other scenario. My pick scissors, well then U1 is true. Else if you picked equals paper and my pick equals rock, U1. Else if you picked paper again and my pick scissors, then last two, you picked scissors and my pick is paper, then you won. If you picked scissors and my pick rock, then I1 equals true. So if they match exactly, they'll both be false because that's a draw. So let's just start that with the result, and then we can change the result based on who won. And say it's a draw. And then I'm going to have it say if I won, then we change our result to I won. Else if you won, result equals you won. So after that, the next thing we have to do is we have to go and display everything into this result tab right here. So let's go do that. So go back into here, and I'm going to do document, the element by ID, and the ID is result. And we want to put it in the inner HTML. And that's going to be, well, let's first display what the computer picked. It says I pick, and then we'll put down what the pick was. My pick appear there, and then after that we display the result. And finally we need to return false. That way the form doesn't refresh itself and not show you the results. I picked paper, I won. Okay, so let's try paper. Pick paper to draw, and that's our simple rock, paper, scissors using HTML and JavaScript.